Oh, right now. If package has a tail, what ocean did you sail? By air, by snail, it's tribe mail. Tribe mail. Brought to you by Two Brothers, One Vision. Why, hello, friends and family. Welcome back to Wowwy'z workshop. And we are here underneath the hummingbird tree. And guys, this is yet another episode of Tribe Mail. I know, pumping them out faster than I can even put my art creation videos out, because there's so many gosh darn great people in our tribe and in this world. Well, we're very lucky to have people in our community like we do. And that goes out to each and every one of you. You know who you are. Much love to you. Wow, we appreciate you. So today, guys, what is this? What is this? Well, I did a reel the other day, and I knew instantly when I did this reel that I was going to get flack from some of the woodworkers, because I was using a chisel with a ball peen hammer. And this hammer, I don't know why I do it, but it's just my go-to. I just grab it for everything, right? And when I was doing the reel, I knew in my head that it was a stupid thing to do, use a ball peen hammer with a good wood chisel. But actually in the song that I used, they were making fun of, he was making a fun of himself. So it could have been an angel, but I'm too dumb to speak. And that lined up with the part that I was doing. And sometimes I'll do that, right? I'll use the music and try and like line shit up. This whole social media is just another medium to play with. Some people think it's about ego. You couldn't be more wrong. This is about inspiring, sharing. This is a form of therapy and communication I have with the outside world. Now, when somebody a good friend of mine saw me do that stupid move on my reel, he said, I'm going to fix that. I'm going to make you something. Now, Mr. Peter Blair has been my friend, and he's been so kind. He's done various things, so many things that it's like hard to even list them all. This piece represents two brothers. Those are the symbols. One vision. These knives he made, I've yet to use them. I cherish them so much. And this is a piece that I bought from Pete. I see a dragonfly. It's just amazing work. Thank you, Pete. One of the main things is like with the sanding machine that he made for me. I love this thing. Like, people always comment about my sanding and whatnot, and a huge part of what a man produces are the tools that he has, right? And so I have this super duper sanding machine that uses the flex shaft, and I just go to town with that baby, and it's all because of Pete. You know, I put the grunt into it, but Pete made the tool, and that's part of how I can sand. So Pete made something. God damn, I'm sorry for rambling, you guys. I got so much stuff going on in my head all at once. Now, Pete is a multimedia artist. He uses all sorts of things. He does all sorts of things. You know, I often say I'm a jack of many, a master of none. Well, he's a master of many, and a jack of many as well. And he turned, oh wow, man. He turned these for me. Holy jeez, guys. Look at this. He signed it, Peter Blair. AKA people always also say he's the mad scientist, guys. Look at that. This is just beautiful. And then look at this little one for in the tight spots. He said I may not even use this one. It might just be a wall hanger, but no, I'm going to use him. He signed it. It's perfect for getting into like the little spots, right? Oh my goodness, Pete, look at that. You guys, I am very, very blessed, and I'm very, very spoiled by my amazing tribe. This is just beautiful work. I'm gonna have such a hard time hitting that now. But I know with things that Pete has made me before, he says to not use them and just to set them somewhere goes against why he created it. And I will honor that, and I will use it. And I am truly grateful, Pete. And just another amazing thing. And speaking of Pete and collaborations, the Fiona collaboration is going to be kicked back up into gear here. Now, some of you don't remember, it's a long ways back, but Pete made me a number of vessels that can hold glass beakers for flowers, for real flowers with water. And he turned like 4 or 5 different vessels for me to carve faces into them. And the original one that I did, I named Fiona. So it's the Fiona project. Now those, I'm going to start kicking those into gear. So that'll be upcoming collaboration with Pete. I just want to say, sir, thank you so very much for this. These are beautiful. I tell you, man, you're a master. You're a master of your craft, sir. Thank you very much. I'm going to go try them out now. There is no YouTube without you. Thank you all for watching. You'll hear from me real soon. Thanks for tuning in. Much love. Look at that.